Hello everybody and welcome back. If you watched our previous video, which I accidentally deleted and will be reposting, then you know that we want to do something different for the next several videos. I distinctly remember when I first started making, I found inspiration from other makers who generously shared their ideas and techniques, and now I want to pass that kindness forward. Besides paying it forward, we're sharing our product recipes because we genuinely care about our fellow makers. In these challenging times, we're hoping that sharing what has worked for us may help you discover or inspire new ideas. Your success matters to us, and we believe we're all in this together as a creative community. As simple as this project is, it is a top seller for us. People just scoop it up in our store and at all the markets. We're going to start off by making our standard bath bomb batch, but we're going to split it in half. We're going to add 18 ounces of baking soda to our food processor type thingy, and to the baking soda we're going to add 1 teaspoon of prepared turquoise dye and 1 teaspoon of prepared yellow number 5. Also, along with this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of lime appeal mica. Where you can get these is located in the description box below. We get all our dyes and micas from Nurture Handmade, formerly known as Nurture Soap. This, I know I went off camera with this, but I've got to have it in front of me in order to shake. This is the easiest way to bloom baking soda that I have found. It takes literally less than a minute. We're going to pour that into our bowl. And once we get everything into the bowl, we're going to do the exact same thing again. We're going to add 18 ounces of baking soda to our food processor. Whodunit? It's not even really a real food processor. Along with 1 teaspoon of red 28, that is prepared dye, and 1 teaspoon of Heartbreaker mica, again, all from Nurture Handmade. Go ahead and put the top on and get this blended up again. If you don't have access to a food processor to do this, you can absolutely bloom your baking soda by hand. This just saves us so much time in store. Again, we're cutting this recipe in half, doing half pink, half green. We're going to add half an ounce of SLSA, followed by half an ounce of cornstarch, half an ounce of Kaolin Clay, 0.25 ounces of Buttermilk Powder, 1 ounce of cornstarch. Sift it out and get it all mixed up by hand. For our liquids, we're going to go ahead and mix the whole batch in one. We're just going to split it between the pink and the green. Do 1 ounce of avocado oil, 1.2 ounces of watermelon sugar fragrance oil from Brambleberry, and 1.2 ounces of polysorbate 80. Pour half of the liquid mixture into the pink, and then add the remaining liquid ingredients to your green batch. We are going to mix all this in by hand. Parker is actually mixing this up for us today, and he is quite the comedian. Everybody say hi, Parker, in the comments below. Once you have everything mixed, go ahead and add 9 ounces of citric acid to each bowl. 9 ounces to the green and then 9 ounces to the pink. And again, you're going to go back and you're going to mix all this all by hand very thoroughly. If you want to use a whisk, you can use a whisk. If you're using an electric mixer, you can use a stand mixer, however you want to do it, whatever makes it easier for you. Now for the fun part. We're going to pack each bath bomb half with opposite colors. Half's going to be pink and half's going to be green. Go ahead and fill each half and then kind of lightly pack it in. Sprinkle some extra bath bomb mixture on top. Then you're going to squish the two sides together using a gentle rocking motion. And do this over a separate bowl so that it can catch the mottled bath bomb mixture. Once you get that one out on your second one, take either the pink or the green. We're going to start with pink here and make a small well. Take the bath bomb powder that's all mixed up, and you're going to add that to the center of the well. You're going to have absolutely perfect bath bombs, half and half colored. Pack some more pink on top of that, sprinkle some loose mixture on it, smash it again to your green. When you make your next bath bomb, you're going to do a well in the opposite color. Since we did pink the first time, now we're going to take the green one, we're going to put a small well in that, and we're going to add that mottled batch mixture to the green. Add some more green mixture to the top of that and smush it again, and keep alternating back and forth until you have all the bath bombs made. This batch should make exactly 12 bath bombs with enough left over to make 2 bitty bitty bomb bombs, and that's what we call them. We have bath bombs, bitty bombs, and bitty bitty bomb bombs. And here's our tiny bitty bitty bomb bombs. And these sell almost faster than anything else in the store, especially when they're super cute. And of course, at the end, when we get to painting, we do paint our bitty bitty bomb bombs to look like a watermelon as well. Now for the super fun part, let's get these bath bombs painted. You're gonna need mica. You're gonna need some green mica and some black mica and a paintbrush. You're gonna need 2, one with a smaller tip, maybe a smaller rounded tip, and then one that is slightly wider. How we make ours is we add some mica to a small paint pot, fill it with isopropyl alcohol, and then mix that up with our paintbrush, and that's what we use as our bath bomb paint. To make the watermelon rind, simply do 5 wiggle lines on the green part of the bath bomb. There's really no right way or wrong way to do this, and you don't have to worry about adding too much because the bath bomb's not going to activate with the isopropyl alcohol, and it's just going to dissipate. Once you have all the rinds painted on the bottom of the bath bomb, you can come back in with the black mica and start painting seeds on it. Seeds are very easy. If you'd feel more comfortable practicing on a piece of paper before you went straight for the bath bomb, that's fine. But don't forget that this is handmade, and if people don't like the authenticity of the small mistakes in your handmade products, then the next person's gonna love it. If you make a small circle and then just a small drag line down, that's gonna make a really nice watermelon seed. Very simple, very easy. See, even I mess up. A decade of making these, and yeah, I still can't make seeds very well. You're going to go ahead and finish off all your bath bombs with the seeds, and if you made bitty bitty bomb bombs, don't forget to paint those as well. And if you have any leftover mixture but you don't have small bath bomb molds, you can go ahead and make embeds and set them aside, because you're going to need them on the next project that we will be putting out next week. Along with those embeds, you're also going to need our basic bath bomb recipe. Thanks for hanging out with us, and I hope you got a little something out of this video. And if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, send us a comment, let us know if there's anything specific that you'd like to see made, or if you look at our website and you see something on there and you want to know how we make it, let us know in the comments below and we'll get those videos out for you. Until next time, be blessed.